Okay, and this is a lighting test made by my student. And if we do in this way, I will focus on the lighting of the window and maybe the dust effect on the street, and our render looks not good. This is a city, and we want to use lighting to create a movement, a car movement, a strong feeling, more energy for the city living, and it will give us a better feeling. So let's go to the trace map. Okay, and now we got this. And because this is a scene with many lights, so if I tell you to help me fix the lighting of this render, you will feel a little bit of confused. Where we should start to fix first: the HDR, the intensity of the street light, the window light, car, many things to consider. So I will use this one, the hue and the saturation. I will turn everything into the black and white color, and we can easy to see, to understand, and choose what area we want to light up and what area we don't. So let's keep a render in black and white for a while. And now let's turn off the light of the building, so we will got a better foreground. Okay, and I will don't recommend you guys you should use the Corona line material or self illumination or the Corona light. You can use whatever light you want. You feel comfortable with. Just keep the foreground in the shadow. Okay, now I will dim the window light of the building a little bit too. Right now I don't want to focus much on this thing. And now the background. I use the HDRI for this. It's okay, just need to make it more bright. So we can create a contrast between the bright sky and keep the building into the dark side. Okay, now I think we got a better picture of this scene. So let's turn back the hue and the saturation and see how it looks. Okay, and it looks quite good right now. We have a very strong cool tone of the blue sky. It effects on the building, the street, the car right there, and we also got the little warm tone of the window, the street light, the car light to have it balanced. Okay, now I want to create some light trail. To help us create some movement, the focal point of this render. This is city nighttime. We don't want everything look still and sleepy. We use Chef to create this line, and after this, we use a script called the road mark and use this feature, car light trail. Choose the number blank and create. Now let's run some tests. Then we got the scene. We use the light mix to control the intensity without to re-render this. Okay, now I use the V-Ray environment fog to make the building far away more blurry and create more deep of our render. Okay. And lastly, I use the variety card to add some effects on the row. Some reflection of the water to have reflection the lighting on the road surface. A good render is composed by the composition, the lighting, and the material. You can skip anything of this. The good material is to have the strength and the lighting. And this is when we finish with some additional detail of the material. And this is before, and this is after. And this is all I want to share with you guys today. So thank you and see you in the next video.